which router tool truly deserves a place in your workshop in 2024. In this video, we'll count them down from the weakest contender to the ultimate must-have. Whether you're looking for a trim router for light, detailed work or a plunge router for deep professional cuts, we've got you covered. Stick around for our number one pick, it might just surprise you. Kicking off our list is the Ridgid trim router. This little guy has earned a reputation for being budget friendly, and its 5.5 amp motor delivers speeds of up to 30,000 RPM. With its lightweight 3.8 pound frame and ergonomic overmolded grip, it's built for comfort during light duty tasks. It even includes spare and round bases for versatility. But does it deliver on performance? Well, not exactly. While it's perfect for trimming laminate or light routing work, it struggles with heavy-duty applications. The corded design limits mobility, and the depth adjustment mechanism can be stiff, which is a pain when you need precision. If you're a beginner or need an affordable router for basic projects, the Ridgid is a decent pick. But for anything more demanding, you'll want to look further up this list. Don't forget to check out the Amazon links in the description to grab these routers at the best prices. Coming in at number 5 is the BOSCH PR20, a compact router designed for light to medium duty tasks. Its 1 horsepower motor and variable speed range of 16,000 to 35,000 RPM make it a versatile choice. It features a rugged aluminium base and an intuitive depth adjustment system for fine-tuning your cuts. The BOSCH excels in portability and control thanks to its lightweight design, but its main drawback is power. It's simply not built for heavy-duty applications. Additionally, it lacks a plunge base, limiting its versatility for advanced tasks. This is a great option for hobbyists or anyone needing a lightweight router for quick jobs. But if you're tackling more complex projects, you might find it lacking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome tool reviews. Now we're stepping into the big leagues with the DEWALT 600B. This cordless compact router is powered by DEWALT's reliable 20-volt max battery system and boasts a brushless motor that delivers speeds from 16,000 to 25,500 RPM. With dual LED lights and a clear base, visibility is excellent, a big plus when precision matters. However, there are a few limitations. While the cordless design is incredibly convenient, this model doesn't include a plunge base, making it less versatile for certain applications. And remember, it's sold as a bare tool, so you'll need to buy the battery and charger separately. If you prioritize portability and are already invested in DEWALT's battery ecosystem, the 600B is an excellent addition to your toolkit. For plunge routing tasks though, you'll need to look elsewhere. Let me know which router is your favorite, or if there's another one you recommend. Our third pick is the BOSCH MRP23, a heavy-duty plunge router with a 15 amp motor capable of delivering up to 25,000 RPM. Its afterlock microfine depth adjustment system allows for precise control, while the trigger control located in the handle ensures smooth operation. This model shines in power and durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals. But at 12.6 pounds, it's hefty and the plunge mechanism can feel a bit stiff. It's also lacking a carrying case, which is disappointing at this price point. This router is ideal for professionals and serious woodworkers who need precision and power for large projects. If weight isn't an issue, the BOSCH MRP23 won't disappoint. Securing the runner-up spot is the Makita 2301. With a powerful 3.25 horsepower motor and variable speeds ranging from 9,000 to 22,000 RPM, this router is built to handle the toughest jobs. Its linear ball bearing system ensures smooth and precise plunge action, while the dual LED lights and electric brake add convenience and safety. That said, its 13.4 pound weight can be tiring for prolonged use, and like the BOSCH MRP23, it doesn't come with a carrying case. Despite these drawbacks, the Makita delivers exceptional performance for serious woodworking projects. If you're working on demanding tasks like cabinetry or joinery, this router is a beast. Its precision and power make it a favorite among professionals. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Taking the crown is the Metabo 3612, a cordless plunge router that offers the best of both worlds. Powered by a 36-volt battery, it delivers 2 peak horsepower and variable speeds between 11,000 and 25,000 RPM. It can also be used with an optional AC adapter for continuous power. This router stands out for its combination of portability, power, and versatility. With both plunge and fixed bases included, it's perfect for a wide range of applications. At just 6.9 pounds, it's lighter than other high-powered routers, reducing user fatigue. However, its plunge depth capacity is slightly limited, and the dust collection port could use improvement. If you want a cordless router that doesn't compromise on performance, the Metabo is unbeatable. It's versatile enough for professionals, yet accessible for serious hobbyists. So there you have it, the top 6 router tools for 2024 ranked. From the budget-friendly Ridgid to the all-powerful Metabo, your perfect router is just a click away. Ready to upgrade your woodworking game? Check the links in the description to grab your favorite model today. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more top tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!